With just a cup of beans and 350 naira Addmie pack, you can make a really tasty meal. Let me run you through the process of making this. In a pot, bring water to boil and rehydrate your Addmie vegetables. I'm sure you've been wondering, what is Addmie, and you're inquisitive to know about Addmie. Let me tell you about Addmie. Early last month, I found Addmie at an event, and as a chef, I'm particular about trying new things that will allow me create new recipes on a budget. Addmie is an innovative 3-in-1 blend of mixed vegetables. You know what this means now? Less worry about sourcing out vegetables that are highly priced, and this ensures less market visits, easier and faster cooking time. You don't need to start chopping vegetables, carrots, bell peppers to make a noodle or a pasta or any dish at all. Addmie has everything. It even comes with its own seasoning. Good, right? And guess what? Let me tell you the shocking thing. The chicken variant of Addmie has even chicken chunks in it. Oh, yeah, surprised, right? Yes, Addmie has 3 variants. It has the chicken, it has the classic, and it has the crayfish variant. Let's be honest now. Can your aboki give you bell peppers, carrots, green bell peppers, spring onions for 350 naira? Sure, you can see. I've just added the final touch to this meal, and I didn't go through the stress of cutting vegetables.